Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to reset the oil light on a 2019 Volvo S60. To start the relearn process, turn the start knob to the right side without pressing the brake pedal. And now push onto this minus button on the cruise control and hold the brake pedal. And while you are doing that, start the vehicle by turning the knob to the right side. Once you start the engine, keep holding this minus button. Okay, now once this yellow mark starts to blink, release the minus button. And now you've just reset your oil maintenance light. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel.